This is an exciting day. Nervous excitement. I'm gonna take my first ride back. I haven't been riding since January, and it's the middle of May. So let's go check on John and see what he's got going on.
Carolyn, the open road has missed you. You have fresh oil, your tire pressures have been checked, and from the looks of you, you're ready to start riding again.
Oh yeah, so the helmets are charged, my gloves are ready, my boots are on, the jacket is just sitting there, John.
Wait.
Okay.
Did you pack a snack?
I did pack a snack. That is good. That is good. I always pack the snack. That's my job. Man, I had an injury several months ago, and I've been recuperating. So this is our first ride back. And yeah, I'm a little anxious, a little nervous, not about the ride necessarily, but it's been a long time waiting, and we just enjoy it. So John and mine, helmet time is always really healthy.
And for Carolyn, riding a motorcycle is like falling off a bike. Wait, no, that would be.
Wait,
no,
but it is kind of, to my core, part of what inspires me and gets me out there again. And I just love it. I just think it's the best way to get out and see the world.
Yeah, and Carolyn's designed a really nice route for us today. We're going to see some parts of Central Oregon that we have never been in, which is weird because we've pretty much covered a lot of roads around here. Yeah. So we're excited about that, and boy, excited about the weather. It's going to be in the 80s today and just drop dead gorgeous. Where we live is a slice of heaven, and I can't wait to go and grab me a piece.
Yeah, so let's get out there and share it.
All right.
So what we have is a 2023 F750 GS in triple black, of course. And who wouldn't miss this bike?
More riding with a Honda Transalp.
Ride red, baby. Ride red. You got ride red and I've got triple black. We're quite the pair. This is exciting. I've got it. Testing 1, 2. Okay. Press it once.
Flash intercom on. Open lash channel 1.
Light headlamps on.
Oh yeah. Your exposures are beautiful. I've got a nervous excitement, you know. Just in anticipation. It's taken me 3 months to get here. Just so crazy. I've never waited this. Well, that's not true. There was a time when I went through surgery for breast cancer that I had to wait several months, and I think getting back on the bike, that was really something. But all right, ready? Start this boost. How cool is that? Good. Got new gravel in the driveway, so you can put it in enduro just for fun.
Wow, for me too.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, the last time that we rode was actually doing those exposure lights.
Yeah, night ride.
I guess I better take it out of enduro here. Just put it in road for a minute. When you get on the freeway, I might run it up to that dynamic pro, you know. Oh, John, it feels so good. I was just I had a little bit of anxious excitement, you know, just like anticipating getting out there and riding. It's been a long time waiting. I've been waiting. Boy, what's kind of cool is, boy, they've taken really good care of these roads. There's no rock in the middle of these roads. They sweep the roads. Well, John is in charge of all of the mechanicals, so oil, tire, chain, those are good to go. I'm in charge of technology. But I don't leave without this GS 911. Now it's Wi-Fi with my phone, so it's so simple. Let me just show you how we're gonna do this. First things first, I made sure it was updated. As simple as this is, you're just going to plug it in to your OBD port. That's the onboard diagnostics. Gonna get a light, and then you're gonna turn your bike on and connect it to your GS 911 app. And then we're going to do an auto scan on our bike. So it looks like all systems are go. I mean, how great is that? That I can take this device, plug it in, and in just a matter of moments, see that my bike scans and everything is green and ready to go. That is such a relief. So, all right, what are we looking at? Is it $5 a gallon? It's what? We'll go a little closer. Thank you. Woo! Running late or something. Okay, that's campground number 3 that we've seen, I think. We're just right along that river. This just seems so peaceful.
Nice camp.
I do too. Just out for a day ride?
Noisy takes off.
Yeah, until you turn yours on, right? I like that throaty sound. I like it when it's loud and they hear you.
People look, they go, what the hell is that? At least they're looking.
Yeah, then they pay attention to where you're at.
Fun setting on car lights, yeah.
Yeah, this is a good little road to be tooling along.
Oh, we love that.
John, are you okay?
Oh, Carolyn,
Yeah.
are you okay? Your first ride back?
I'm fine. Actually, best ride ever.
I don't know
Or at
about
least
that.
this year. Yeah, we made it.
Yeah.
And it was so great to be able to get back on the bike. I really did miss it. And I kind of needed to have that inspiration today. But I think we rode about 120 miles is all.
Yeah.
You know?
I'm really glad you did that without any impact. But I'm more impressed that I rode the last 11 miles.
I think you did a great job.
I never touched my feet on the ground. I never touched my butt on the seat, and I never touched my clutch.
Wow. That was
That's pretty good.
That was pretty good. I actually got it on camera,
Oh,
really.
there you go.
Yeah.
Well, it was great to have you back out there, and we miss riding. It has been a bit of a time. Everything's up to snuff. We're really glad about that, and it's weird, y'all. If you've ridden as long as Carolyn and I have, she doesn't miss a beat.
Yeah. I didn't need retraining. I just started right back up again. But boy, I sure missed that bike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, my hands are tired. And on that note,
No. Travel safe.
and we'll see you, thankfully, out on the road again.
And as far as I, though maybe I pretended, oh, I wish it never ended. I held
Yeah, that
on
was a
with
310,
all
wasn't it?
my might.
Couldn't tell. And look
Might have been the new
Waiting on
450.
that last goodbye. See you standing door, watching the leaves as they fall once more. In the silence we made, I couldn't find the words to say. They linger in my mind. Oh, I wished you'd stay. Oh, I wished you